Cerebriti is a web page that you can create any activities for evaluation or only practice any topic that you teach. You can find it in Google. You can write Cerebriti, and then you can find it this web page. You can assign for free. I already assigned it, so I have in the principal page. So you can choose any games or activities for different topics, or you can create your own activity. So I'm going to create a new game or a new activity for my students. And this is the steps that we have to follow to create our new activity. You have to choose what type of activity do you want. You have these many options to like a test. You can use a map and find the answers. You can find the pairs, secret words, identify the image, etc. And you can next edit the content. Then you have the description and publish. Now I'm going to choose secret words. So I'm going to click here in secret words. Now we continue with the second step, edit the content. So you have to write a name. When we already write it, simple past verbs, 1. You have to write the names of the 2 columns. And the first one is verbs, in the second one simple past. So I'm going to write here the verbs, and in the next column I have to write the correct answers. Okay, so you can, I add only 5, but you can add more. If you want more, you can click here, and when you finish, you say you click in the next step to continue in this step number 3, that is the description. So the name is simple past verbs and description of the game. So you are going to write something. Review the simple past verbs, regular and irregular. Okay, you can choose a picture for your game. I'm going to choose, you want something for Google or if you have in your computer. So I'm going to write something for my computer. For example, I am going to choose, I don't know, I have this picture. And I'm going to click here to see the picture. This is going to be my image for my game. Okay, so now you are going to write the time, how many times the player have to complete it. So I'm going to click here, maybe 5 minutes, for example. You have to choose the category of your game. This is for language or idioms. You can choose idioms. Okay, now choose some etiquettes that you have your game. Need to be hashtag irregular, simple past or only simple past. Okay, and next step. Now it's going to time to publish. So you have here verbs, simple past, that you have to write. You can see the answers, and you can see the game before to publish. This is the form that is going to see our students. So publish now. So it's going to save my game. So you can go to your game and check if it's the correct one. Okay, so you can just play. So the student is going to write here the answer. Automatically is for the verbs that you see there. So if this is lived, it's correct. Ate for eat, we have run, the same, drank, and walked. Okay, so this is my answers for the game. So I'm going to see the answers. Okay, so this is the form our students is going. You can share with another friends and compete, have a competition. Okay, so this is the form that you can use Cerebriti to say with your students. If you go to the principal page, you are going to find here your game of your activity. Okay, so, and you can share the link with your students, and they automatically can play.